Hello everyone! On this video, I'm showing you my other idea to make the table centerpiece by using the pearl and other accessory. First of all, we need to cut off a small piece of this PVC board as the base of the centerpiece. Of course, you can cut the wooden board. Okay, we cut off the board. And the following, we need to drill 3 holes on the board. Okay, the ball and the holes were ready. The next step, we need to make it into gold color. And normally, we can paint it into gold color, but since I don't like painting work, so I will use this gold wallpaper. Okay, completed with the ball. Actually, it's not easy to stick them together. If you cannot stick them well, they will cause a lot of air bubble on the ball. To solve the problem, you need to use a needle to make a hole on the bubble and squeeze the air out will be okay. But it's really not easy. So this is DIY work, so we cannot make everything perfect. Anyway, let's make the hole. Okay, completed. Let's install the stand. Okay, talking about the stand, we will use 2 types of poles to make 2 designs. Once by using this M16 pole together with this is accessory for the stick candle. The other design by using this M10 poles together with the plank for this type of candle. So, could you please tell me which design you like? Please comment to tell. Firstly, let's go with this M16 pole. Very simple. Use the screw to go through the hole. Put a slide and this screw. And this screw on this face. Then our M10 pole. This pole is about 40 cm long. Okay, I will show you the effect after install the other 2 poles by using 50 cm torque and 16 cm torque. Look, this is the effect after we install 3 poles on the base. Then the next step, let's install the accessory for the candle. Okay, the assemble completed. If you are using the LED candle, just apply some glue on it and stick on the holder will be okay. If you are using the real sample, just drop some candle on the stand, on the holder, and then stick them together will be okay. Okay, let's set up the table to check the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Look. Let's light up the candle. I stick the candle to the holder with hot glue. Okay. If the effect look too much simple, let's try to put some flowers and leaf. Okay, take a wax. I use this candle holder. Let's put some plastic stone. And our new flower and leaf. Let's check it one by one. This one and this one. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook. This is our new leaf. The large one and the smaller one. Also put on our wax. And this is our new flower also. Also put it on the wax. Okay, let's check the effect. Which one you like? Let's zoom in for the detail. Look, LED candle and our new flower and leaf. If you are interested to order, inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. Okay then, let's move to the other design. Okay, after remove the M16 pole, let's install the M10 pole. Very simple. Put a slide and install the 30 cm pole, and then the 40 cm long pole. Finally, the 15 cm pole. This 50 cm long pole I will connect with 120 cm and 130 cm and install there. Okay, then install the pranks for the candle. Use the screw and the prank. Okay, then let's put on the candle and check the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Without flower and leaf. Do you like this one? Okay, now let's put on some flower and leaf. Okay, let's check the effect by put on some flower and leaf. Look. Let's zoom in for the detail. For your information, we supply almost all the material used on the video, include the flower, leaf, poles, and the accessory, except the LED candle. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below the video. Which idea you like? Please comment to tell. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.